brothers and sisters and distinguished guests and my respected teachers. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Yahya. I am a student of Dynamic English Academy. Today, I would like to share a simple but powerful message. Gratitude is the secret to inner peace. If we truly want to live a peaceful and happy life, we must learn to look at those who have less than we do. When Allah blesses us with a motorcycle, let's remember those who walk. When He grants us a car, let's think of those who have no means of transport at all. When we have a home, let's not forget those who sleep under the open sky. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم ولئن كفرتم إن عذابي لشديد. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, if you are grateful, I will increase. But if you are ungrateful, indeed my punishment is severe. So be grateful in every situation and trust Allah in every situation. Allah knows and He is the only one who knows what will happen tomorrow. If today is wrong, tomorrow will be right. Don't stress out. Life is short. One day is good, one day is bad. One day is for you, one day is against you. My brothers, my sister, believe in Allah. If you are having relation with Allah, the good day is Alhamdulillah. The bad day is also Alhamdulillah. So my dear brothers and sisters, let us live each day with a thankful heart. Let us trust that Allah's plan is always perfect. So be grateful, be peaceful, and trust in Allah in every situation. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much.